Hello everyone, welcome to Education KA channel. Today I have one exercise like on screen. So x power 3 minus 333 power 3 equal 444 power 3 plus 555 power 3. Before we go to the solution, please don't forget subscribe my channel for more exciting videos and go to the solution together. And now I have x power 3 minus 333 power 3. So I change this from the left hand side to the right hand side. So we get 8 power 3 equal 333 power 3 plus 444 power 3 and plus 555 power 3. You see this 333, I can write it 3 multiplied 1, 1, 1. And 444, I can write 4 multiplied 111. And 555, I can write it 5 multiplied 111. So that the equation I can write it x power 3 equal 3 multiplied 111 powers 3 and plus 4 multiply 111 power 3 and plus 5 multiply 100 and powers 3, and then this we get x power 3 equal 3 power 3 multiplied 111 power 3 plus 4 power 3 multiply 111 power 3 plus 5 power 3 multiply 111 power 3. You see this 111 power 3 and this 111 power 3 and this 111 power 3. So I can take out our factors. So we get x power 3 is equal 111 power 3 multiplied 3 power 3 plus 4 power 3 plus 5 power 3. And we get x power 3 is equal 111 power 3 multiplied this we get 27 plus 64 and plus 125, and we get 8 power 3 is equal 111 power 3 multiply 216, and then divides 216 is equal 6 power 3. So that this I can write 8 power 3 is equal 111 power 3 multiply 6 power 3. And then we get 8 power 3 is equal 111 multiply 6 all power 3, and we get 8 power 3 is equal 666 power 3. So that this is power 3 equal 666 power 3. So we get 8 equal 666 is our solution. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe my channel for more exciting videos. Goodbye.